Hello everyone, my name is Bian Putra Sulaiman and I'm an English literature student of Universitas Indonesia. I made this presentation as an assignment of my public speaking class and this presentation is about Racoon and its intelligence. It's widely known that Racoon is an intelligent animal, but some people still don't know how magnificent their intelligence is. If you want to know how magnificent it is, I think you should pay attention to this presentation. Raccoon is a native of North America and lives throughout the United States as well as parts of Mexico, Canada, and the north of South America. In the 20th century, it was introduced elsewhere in the world and now is common in Russia, Germany, and Japan. Raccoons are able to live in a wide range of habitats, from cold grasslands to warm, tropical areas. They need to be close by water and prefer to inhabit the moist woodland area, but they also live in farmland, suburban, and urban areas. Raccoons are omnivores and what they eat depends greatly on their environment. They will commonly eat fruits, plants, nuts, berries, frogs, eggs, and insects. In an urban setting, they will search through garbage for food, and most of their diet is invertebrates and plants. Now, how intelligent raccoons are? They have a high IQ and are up there with humans, apes, monkeys, elephants, and dolphins as the most intelligent species on the planet. In fact, they often score nearly as high as human toddlers on intelligence tests. Not just have high IQ, raccoon intelligence is evolving to meet their needs in changing environments. Some even say that they are co-evolving with us humans. They can learn and are capable of remembering solutions to problems they have solved in the past for at least 3 years. Their evolving intelligence makes them a good problem solver. In an experiment, they placed in a wooden crates from which they had to escape by opening the latch or sequence of latches. They were given a number of trials to complete it, and they retained the ability to solve the same problem more quickly when confronted again with it. Moreover, their behavior flexibility renders high success rate with puzzles. In some experiments, raccoons could, in certain instances, learn how to solve a puzzle box simply by being put through the solution by the experimenter. They also have a set of hands like human and apes. While raccoons don't have truly opposable thumbs, their hand structure closely resembles that of humans and apes. These digits, combined with a high level of intelligence, allow them to be more easily manipulate their environment, which improve their survival skills. Furthermore, like humans, they adapt to a wide range of ecosystems and situations, allowing them to move out of the forest and into our cities. So as our homes keep spreading into theirs, raccoons may be the little critter that is smart enough to use us and our resources for their own good. If being compared to other animals, there are actually a lot of animals that are more intelligent than raccoons, but they are up there among the smartest animals, and their ability to learn and solve problems is something only possessed by a small number of animals and make their intelligence so special. Raccoons and their intelligence were adapted into a character in the Marvel movie series The Guardians of the Galaxy. The character named Rocket, and he is depicted as a highly genius creature, but not so friendly to others, just like in real life. In the movies, Rocket is like a super genius engineer and inventor. He can even create advanced technologies out of scrap. He is also highly adaptable and is able to cope and thrive in any situation he has to face. And just like Raccoon in real life, Rocket also have great problem solving skills. In his team, he is the one that always have the answers and solve their problems whenever they get into trouble or whenever things goes out of plan. For example, In the latest movie, when the things doesn't go as what he imagines, he improvised and make a technology out of scrap from his surrounding to get him out and his friends out of the situation that he wasn't planned. This makes raccoon adaptation very similar to raccoons in real life. However, despite their intelligence and cuteness, we humans suggested to be always cautious near them and not to take wild raccoons as a pet because it's highly possible that a lot of them carry rabies virus. In 2018, reportedly 92% cases of rabies in United States of America were caused by wild animals, and raccoons were responsible for 30% of the cases, being second highest behind bats with 33%. In short, raccoons are one of the smartest species that they rely on their intelligence to adapt and survive. Their intelligence and capability also adapted into a movie character. However, some of them can carry rabies virus and considered to be dangerous. And I hope that this presentation can give you insight about raccoons and their intelligence. And I want to share my apology if there is any mistake in this presentation. I'm Bian Putra Sulaiman. Thank you for listening.